For today's makeup look, we're doing this heart-shaped sunset cloud makeup look. To start, I'm using pink face paint and using that to create a heart shape. Then filling that in with a color. And I did block out my brows prior to this. Fading out the color towards the bottom of the face. Then using a light pink shade to blend out further on the bottom. Then adding a golden yellow shade to add a sunset-like effect. Then with white face paint, I'm making the cloud shapes. First, kind of making the outline of the cloud. Then fading the white downwards, leaving the most saturated part at the outline. Then going over the eye area with the golden yellow. Then adding dark pink to the outer corners. And a sparkly gold to the inner corners. Then black liquid eyeliner. Then I continued the same process for the clouds on the cheeks. Then adding some of that gold color to some of the spots of the clouds. Then adding some white stars to the upper areas of the sky. Then adding a few red floating hearts on the cheeks. And that completes this heart-shaped sunset Valentine's Day makeup look. With the clouds and the hearts, I thought this would be a great look for Valentine's Day. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.